Well, hi guys, welcome back, another video. Time to move on. It's time to move on. In the last project, we looked at ADC values on a potentiometer. Well, on this project, we're going to look at the values of a potentiometer, but we're also going to look at the duty cycle of the pulse width modulation, and we're going to use the potentiometer to change the value on an LED, so it goes brighter and darker. So that's what we're going to do today's project. Let's just have a quick look what we're going to do on our board. Okay, so on our board, again, we just need the hang on, bear with me. We just need the LED really turned on. Okay, remember it's number 5 here and number 3 on the block. We turn on number 5, number 3 on the block. Okay, and we'll be using the blue LED and the bottom potentiometer. Right, okay, so you see that. So let me come to the, what view do I want? That view. Here we are. Right, so let's just get ourselves sorted out. We've got our LED switched on. And let's go to the code. Right. So let's open Thony. File. Open. And open our template. Right. Okay, so we are going to need our GPIO pins. So import capital R, capital P, small I, .gpio as GPIO. Import time. And as in the last project, we're going to from ADC device. Yeah, import star. Right. Actually, that's space star. All right. Now, another attribute we're going to need. Can we remember? Of course, our pin. Right. We need to name our pin. So LED PIN. And I believe it's 11. Yeah. I like to put spaces. 11. All right. And same as before. Let me just sort my life out. We need to define the class, remember? So it's ADC equals. And it's ADC device. And remember our magic number, 48. Yeah? Defines our ADC device class object. Cool. Let's come down to our setup. Remember last time, a lot of the configuration is similar to our last project, but there are things we're going to have to put in. Okay. ADC. So global ADC, we need if. Okay, so we've got global, so it's if. Brackets on, ADC, small case, dot detect, I2C, capital I, 2, capital C, brackets 0 times 48. Brackets off, codons. All right. If, okay, then it's the ADC. Yeah. Equals ADS, remember this, 7830. And the magic number, brackets off. Cool. So that's part of our global. And let me just take that down a bit, bring this back up. So we've got our 2 lines, then we've got our else. Now, good thing to do if you want to do this, go to the ADC, yeah, get the else statement, copy, Control V, and it'll put it in. Oh, while we're at it, shall we we'll just do a quick file save as, because we're still on template. So file save as, I'm going to call this flow light. Yeah, .py, the Python extension. Okay. So let's go to here. So remember, this command is exactly the same as the last project. Tab, back 1. Then we do our global P. Right. And this is when we need our GPIO board, because we're using GPIO pins. Remember, we need our setup next. So it's GPIO.setup. And its LED pin is an output, yeah? GPIO.out. Yeah, same as a previous project that we did. So it's LED pin brackets GPIO.out. Now our PWM. So it's P equals GPIO.PWM. PWM being capitals. LED pin. Brackets on. Sorry, comma. And we're going to start at 1000. Right? We'll start at 1000. What's gone wrong here? Why haven't I didn't put a bracket in me here? I'll put a 9. Bear with me. Right? 1000. Don't know what's up with this today. And then P.start. And it's brackets on, zeros, brackets off. That means we want it to start at 0. All right. So let's come down to our loop. While true, true is always true. Right. Oh, let me just make sure I've got the correct indent. Yeah, while true, true is always. Now remember the analog read, so it's value equals ADC dot analog read. Capital R on the read, yeah? And then remember that was 2. Okay? Again, this is the read of the ADC value of the channel. All right? So, P dot. So now we're going to map the duty cycle, all right? Change, capital C, duty, capital D, cycle, capital C. Yeah. Change duty cycle, and we have to put the value in. Star. Okay. And it's 100/255. And that's brackets off. So that is mapping the PWM, pulse width modulation, duty cycle. Right. Let me just... then we're going to do our voltage values. Remember on the last project, voltage equals value, right, /255.0. Oh, why have I put 3 5s? .0, yeah, space star times 5.0. Remember that's calculating the voltage and the value, the voltage value. Right, then we're going to print, and it's the same line as here and asleep. So we can copy all that. Put that there, Control V. But change the 1 to 3. I do like to make things as simple as possible. It's easier to copy and paste than to start configuring again. Yeah. So let me just check I've got all of that. Value voltage, yeah. And then we come to our destroy. GPIO.cleanup. And of course, we do the ADC.close, yeah? Brackets on, off. Okay, so let me just do a quick file save. File save. And a quick review of the code. So I've got input time, pins, got the setup, global, else. Yep, global P. Then I've got the loop. Yep. And then we got the destroy. Oh, what do you reckon? You reckon it's going to work? Do another quick save. And let's run the project. Right, line 3. 80, again, I've missed that V for device. Again, dearie me. Okay. Try it again. Okay. Line 26. Value equals ADC dot analog read. Analog read 2. P dot change duty cycle. Brackets value star 100/255. Bum, bum, bum. It looks okay to me. Can anybody see anything? Value equals ADC dot analog read. 2. While true is always true. Line 12. ADS MX30. Ah, didn't tell me, did you? Times 48, not dot 48. It's good that we get these few mistakes so we can do our own debugging. So let's try it again. Right. Looks like it's working. Can you see the values changing? You can see the values changing at the bottom. Yeah. So let's have a look on the board. Okay, we're on the board. There you can see. Dark. Slowly coming up. Up, brighter, 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 brighter. So at the moment, it's on 4.98, down, 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 down. 1.8800. We have our flow light working. How bad's that? How bad's that? Well, there you go. So a lot of the code was the same as the other project, but we had our change duty cycle in there. Yeah, analog read, which we had before. And the same inputs, time, ADC device. There you go. Quick little one, that one, project, because we used a lot of the same code as the last project. Yeah, we're moving on. We're moving on. Things are going to get even more, what's the word? Not intense, maybe a little bit more complicated. But hopefully we'll all be able to keep up. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment. And also like. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.